In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jira Automation tutorial. We will walk through how to access automation in Jira, explore the built-in templates, and create a simple automation rule from scratch. If you are new to Jira Automation, don't worry. I will keep this easy to follow so you can understand not just where to click, but also what each part does. To begin, open Jira and go to your projects. From there, select the project you want to work with. Once you are inside the correct project, look for the three dots next to it. Click that menu, and then choose the Project Settings option. This is where you will find the tools used to configure how that project works behind the scenes. After that, go to the left side menu and select Automation. This is the main area where you can build rules that help Jira perform tasks automatically, saving time and reducing manual work. When you first enter the Automation section, click on Templates. Jira provides a variety of pre-built templates that can help you get started faster. These templates are organized into different categories, such as coding, loom, or strategy. Using a template can be helpful if you want a ready-made starting point, especially when you are still learning how automation rules are structured. If you want to build your own rule instead, click Create Flow, and then choose Create from Scratch. This opens the Rule Builder, where you'll create each part of the automation manually. The first thing you'll see is the Trigger section. Triggers are the events that start the rule. In other words, this is what kicks off the automation. For example, a rule could begin when an issue is created or when a status changes. To continue, click Add Trigger and choose Sprint Created as an example. Then add a board so Jira knows where that sprint event should come from. Next, click Add Condition. Conditions are optional criteria that must be met before the rule continues. This step is useful when you want the automation to run only in specific situations instead of every time the trigger happens. After that, click Add Action. Actions are what Jira does once the trigger occurs and any conditions are satisfied. This is the part where the rule actually performs the task you want automated. Once everything is set up, click Save and Enable to complete the automation. That turns your rule on so it can start working right away. And that's it. Thanks for watching.